LeetCode number 1268 search suggestion system. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given an array of string product and string search word, we want to design a system that suggests at most 3 product names from product after each character of such word is typed. Suggested product should have a common prefix with the such word. If there are more than 3 products with a common prefix, return the 3 lexicographically minimum product. Return list of suggested products after each character of suggested word is typed. Okay. Okay, let's image of Amazon.com. When you visited Amazon, you able to see the search bar with icon, and then when you type the mouse and you can see under their suggestion list. And this question ask to us to make the only maximum 3 most suggestion, and then if mouse is type, it will type one by one M, MO, MOU, MOUSA at that time. When type the M, it must return this 3 product, and then MO also 3, but the MOU has only 2 product, so we need to return 2. MOUS also same, MOUSE also same. So output is this. And then one more thing, this one is the must be lexicographically ordered. Okay, how we can solve this question? This question approach, there are a lot of approaches for this question, such as maybe we can use try or list or binary search or two-pointer technique. All of them, best performance approach is two-pointer technique. So in this time, I gonna use two-pointer technique. First, my approach is first I will sorting product list lexicographically, and then I will make a two-pointer left and right, and then left to I gonna locate the left pointer with the start index of product, and then right pointer will pointing last product of product list, and then I will while the iterating search word, the character of search word, and then I will reduce the range, and then left will be reduced to find the valid condition. Right also find the valid condition. When I found it, I will return value from here. Even this range is more than 3, I will return only first, second, third. But this one is the less than 3, I will return all of them like this. Where's mouse? Oh, okay. In this time, it will return the valid product name is 5, so it will return only the first 3. But this time, valid product name is only 2, so it return all of them. Okay, let's implement it. Okay, first I will make output, and then second is product. I will sort product and make it pointer. and then I will iteration character of search word in range, and then I will find the valid left pointer. While left greater equal than the less equal than right. Why we put the equal mean is we needed to at least one product item. So left to right, the pointing same thing is the, at that time we needed to return only one item, right? And then I will check the length. So when item is the now with the user type MOU, but item there are one item name is MO, it cannot include it. So I will check the length. Okay, length products. Left pointer pointed is small equal than I, or products left I is not same as search word I, then this is invalid, so I will increase left pointer. Each mean is left pointer is start from left side, so this one is invalid, and then I will check here, invalid, check, valid, stop here, and then this is the start pointing of the valid product list. Okay, let me explain detailedly. This one is the we will find this one is the left, it allowed the left right pointer pointing same for return at least one product list name, and then this one is the size length such as MO, and then search word is MOU case, and then this one is ICE character. If ICE character is does not say, the product list is invalid, right? So this is the case. At the time I will decrease boundary of the left side, and then right side also same. Change right. And then right side I will decrease because right pointer pointing end of right side, so reduce boundary means reduce 1. And then after find the left pointer, right pointer, now we are ready to return a valid product list. If the boundary is more than 3, we needed to return left side first, second, third item. But if this the boundary is below the 3, such as 2, we needed to return all of them. Does it make sense? Okay. If left plus 3 less equal than right, at that time we need to return our first 3 items. So I'll put append products left plus 3, else I'll put append products left right. Is this done? No, we needed to add 1 because in this Python this from here to here, but this index does not include. Only right minus 1 is the maximum index of this expression. So that is the reason why we plus 1, the index. Okay. Looks good. Let's submit. Okay, great. Oh, 9981. Sometime runtime is 100%. I think this one is the best solution of this question till now. Okay, let's check complexity. Sorting take n log n, and then in this time, length of search word is m, product is n. It take m big O m multiply n, so this one is linear. So finally linear n log n, so time complexity is n log n, and space complexity is constant if we does not count output array. Thank you.